Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you my warm lime water recipe. First, you're going to need a lemon squeezer. Next up, a half of a lime or a lemon, whichever you have on hand or prefer. A teaspoon to mix everything up. You're also going to need a teaspoon measuring spoon, as well as a mug, and then you're also going to need hot water. So you want to make sure that the water is hot. I like to bring my water to a boil. And of course, you're going to need some raw honey. You're definitely, don't use regular honey. You need raw honey for this recipe. The first thing that you're going to do is squeeze the lime or lemon juice in your mug. I use my hands or I'll use my little juicer. I actually purchased this like lemon lime squeezer juicer at the Dollar Tree, and it's really been holding up. So squeeze it all until all the juices are out of the lime or lemon. And then you are going to place it aside and then add your other ingredients. So next up, I like to add the honey, the raw honey. You can add anywhere from a half a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. I honestly, it varies depending on the day, but I typically add under a half a teaspoon because I really do try to bring down my sugar content, but you can do whatever works for you. So 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey, and definitely make sure it's raw honey. I'm using the creamy honey, and I'm actually liking this brand. I purchased it from my local Home Goods. And then you're just going to mix the honey inside of your mug. So make sure you give it a nice swirl, mix it up really nice. I like to make sure that I have the contents off of my teaspoons. Next up, I just use my teaspoon just to make sure I don't have any raw honey at the bottom or even lime or lemon at the bottom. So I just give it a nice couple of swirls just to ensure that nothing's at the bottom. But if you follow me on social media, I drink my lime or lemon honey water every single day. It has so many amazing benefits, from helping with clearing your skin to detoxing your body to also assisting with weight loss. The list just definitely goes on and on and on. It also helps to regulate you. So yes, this is it, and I hope you guys enjoy.